Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I need to get to this right away before the sale is over. This is the XHDATA radio. It's AM, FM, shortwave, longwave, MP3 player, Bluetooth function, and I've been watching this since it first came out several months ago. But I'm not the type of person that if I'm going to pay for the radio, I don't want to get the first one out the chute. Because lately, a lot of radios, when they first come out, they have problems, and then the manufacturers fix them and then put them out again. So I've been holding off. I saw a couple of videos recently that said the problem has been fixed and you can now get the latest version. And then on the Todderbert show, I saw that he indicated that it was on sale on Amazon. It's normally $46 on Amazon, but now there's a $10 coupon. So now it's only $36 and it has all those functions. So I suggest that you get one. I'm going to do some several shows on it. Todderbert also did a show on it that talked about the features, all the features, many features in detail, much more detail than I could probably do. So check out his his YouTube page, which is Todderbert, and get you one of these radios. I would recommend it right now, even though you haven't seen my review. There are many reviews on YouTube that you can watch. Pretty darn good radio with lots of functions. Check it out and have a great day. Bye-bye.